If you own a BMW, this video is for you. This car right here, every time you press on the brake, it clunks. You feel it in the steering wheel. Oh, it doesn't matter if you have an old BMW, a new BMW, 99% of the time it's going to be this arm right here. This is the thrust arm that goes from the subframe to the knuckle. And super easy way to test this thing out is pry right here. And we'll see how much that moves. See exactly how much this moves. The whole wheel moves. Now, sometimes it could be this lower control arm, but most of the time on these BMWs or any BMW, it's going to be this arm right here. All you have to remove is one nut that goes here and one bolt that goes here. And just like that, this thing comes out. And just like how I predicted, you can see it's torn up right there. It's not supposed to move that much. And here is our new one. You can see this thing doesn't move at all. This thing is stiff. Yeah, you can press this thing out, but I prefer just switching out the whole arm because you also get a new ball joint right here. Now, before you tighten this bushing down right here, you want to put the control arm at right height. So we're going to lift it up with the jack at right height, and then that's when you can tighten down this bolt right here. So this bolt right here is loose because this is where the bushing is. We're gonna raise it up to right height, and once it's at right height, then we're gonna tighten down that bolt right there. You can see the lower control arm is pretty much straight. So it's at right height. All we do now is just tighten this thing down, torque it to spec, and just like that, our new control arm is in on this side, and we did the same thing on the other side. And now there's absolutely no movement at all. This thing is rock solid.